What must be included in the E-2 business plan? This is very important because the business plan is kind of like a roadmap to show the immigration officer where your business is going for the next 5 years. That'll require a 5-year business plan. And the key details that you want to make sure in the E-2 business plan, as opposed to other types of business plan, is that there be a 5-year financial projection, 5-year P&L, 5-year balance sheet, possibly a 5-year cash flow statement, but that the critical 5-year projection is going to be the P&L. They want to know what the revenue growth is going to be like. They want to know what the wage growth is going to be like. And they want to know what the profitability opportunity is because they're trying to determine, is this business a lucrative financial opportunity for the applicant? So the P&L needs to lay that out and show how attractive financially this investment is to the applicant. In addition, immigration officer wants to know, what is your job creation plan for the next 5 years? As you scale the business, correspondingly, you want to be able to hire more and more employees. So there ought to be a 5-year personnel plan annually. Who you're going to hire, what positions, and what are their projected salaries in each of these positions. So the officer knows that in 5 years, what your organizational chart is going to look like. And the reason this is important, why is it 5 years? Because the E-2 visa law specifies that the applicant has to create a successful, viable, qualifying business within 5 years. And that's where this 5-year timeline comes from. In addition, also very important, are detailed description of your product and services, your business premise, especially if it's a brick and mortar, there maybe should be pictures of it to show legitimacy and how it's all set up and ready to open and operate. And also very important, talk about marketing, customer acquisition strategies, market research, demographics. Our business is going to acquire customers. That's a crucial lifeblood of any business, and immigration officer is going to want to know. For more information regarding the E-2 visa program, please feel free to visit my website, e2visalawyer.net. I have a ton of free information in blogs, videos, FAQs that answer all of your questions regarding the E-2 visa program.